Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku on Vizio TV. Let's go. Connect your Roku device to the power supply and to the TV via HDMI. Wait. If you are not logged in, you will need to select the language, time, Wi-Fi and log in to your Roku account. After that, you will be able to use Roku on Vizio TV. That's it. Now we know how to set up Roku on Vizio TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.